After we finish editing the text content, we need to adjust the font size and line spacing of the text in order to make it easy to read. So how can we adjust line spacing of the text? Take this document as an example. Select all the text content, then click the Line Spacing button of the Home tab. Users can select the amount of line spacing here according to their needs. If there are no proper options, users can also set line spacing by themselves. Click the Line Spacing button of the Home tab, then choose the More command in the drop-down command list provided. Find the Spacing button in the Indents and Spacing tab of the Paragraph dialog box. Click the Line Spacing drop-down button, select Exactly in the drop-down command list provided, and enter the needed value in the Input box of multiple line spacing settings. There is also a drop-down button for users to choose the needed unit. Finally, click the OK button. Then the line spacing of the text has been set successfully according to users' needs.